Welcome to this 12-bar blues jam track. Here we're playing in the key of E major, and we actually have 4 options for what you can play over this. The only essential one is the first one, just with strumming over the E7 and A7 chords and B7 chords. That's absolutely fine. But for those that want to, we've also covered how to do this same chord progression with power chords, and that will be using the chords E5 played like this, A5 like this, and B5 like this. With that idea. And then I also want to give a fantastic single note option to play over this blues in the key of E by using the E minor pentatonic. It's going to be fantastic, but we're going to look at that in a second. Let's just make sure that everyone can play this 12-bar blues in the key of E with basic open chords in time. And this is where we play E major for 3 bars and play the E7 for the final one before the change to A7. For example, 2, 3, 4, change to A7, and back to E, B7, A7, E7, B7, and repeat, and we're going to simply do that 3 times. Ready on the E major chord, and we wait for the jam track. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Final time. Single strum, finish on E major. Fantastic. Now for those of you that have no interest at all in blues or rock music, then just doing that chord progression along to that jam track is absolutely fine. But for those that do, there are a couple of other things that we can add. First of all, this power chord way of playing over this same jam track. This doesn't have to be perfect for now, but I want to introduce it because it's so crucial if this is a style of music that is of interest to you. Let me show you how that works. It's the same chord progression. The E5 power chord remains the same. We swap the A5 power chord or the A7 chord for this way. You could even still play the open chord way if you wish, but then we're going to go B5 at the 7th fret, A5 at the 5th fret, E, B, and repeat in that fashion. Here's a demo of the power chord version that we can play over this jam track. 3, 4. Repeats. Final time. Initially, that's the power chord version. As I say, that does not all have to fall together right now, but it's a fantastic thing to have experience playing. Now, there are two more things that we can play over this same jam track. One of them is a riff or a rhythm part, and another one is a lead line. These are all based on the E minor pentatonic. Because we finish on an E there, and we started on the open E string. So here we're going to repeat the same riff as a riff part that we can play over a 12-bar blues. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Final time round the progression. So hopefully for those of you that want to, that is something that you can play. We can also play the lead part using the slide, and here's an example of it. The riff we're going to go for is the third finger at fret 5 of string 2 to the first finger, and then ideally middle finger to middle finger, and we can even do that where we hear the slide, but we can also do it without hearing the slide. So 5th fret, 5th fret again, 3rd, 4th, 2, 0, 2. The last 2 notes, a little quicker rhythm-wise, just like they were on the riff-wise. If we want to add the slide, we start to sound like Jimi Hendrix, and doing that is using the middle finger. We can even pivot around the thumb to do this quicker. If this excites you, spend some time on it now. There's nothing stopping you. Here's how to do it. Ready with your 3rd finger, fret 5, and we wait for the jam track. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to choose to do no slide for these first 3 repetitions. Now I'm going to add the slide just as a demo. You choose which you go for. This time, go on your own. You can do it. 3, 4. Great job, it's okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. 3, 4. Recap of the simple version this time. 2, 3, 4. Final one, here we go. So there's all 4 options, which if you take them on all at once, I understand it could be overwhelming. However, when we cover the rhythm parts, I'm also keen to cover how we can cover some single note playing over it, either from a riff or a lead playing point of view, just to give those options for those people who want to take those parts on. If not, it's absolutely fine. You don't have to, but you could find yourself just playing chords, kind of hurting your fingers and limiting yourself on the instrument if you don't put enough time into these single note parts. It doesn't all have to be at once. Take your time with it, but that's what you can do over a 12-bar blues.